Here's a quick way to line a round baking pan with parchment paper. This trick will make baking much easier. Take a standard piece of parchment paper and fold it in half. Then, fold it in half again. Next, fold it diagonally to create a triangle. Once you've done that, place one tip of the triangle at the center of your baking pan. Measure the length that fits perfectly to the size of your pan. Trim off the excess paper that extends beyond the pan's edge with scissors. Now, unfold the paper. As you can see, it fits perfectly. This way you'll get the exact size of parchment paper for your pan. Clean your shower with this paper, and limescale won't settle for 2 weeks. You'll thank me for this trick. Your shower will look brand new, and it's completely free. The best part? No need for expensive detergents or harsh chemicals. All you need is regular baking paper from your kitchen. Take a piece of baking paper, dampen it slightly under running water, and crumple it into a ball. Use it to scrub the glass. Within moments, all the dirt will disappear, and the surface will shine. The difference between the cleaned and untouched sides is unbelievable. Forget wasting money on pricey glass cleaners. Baking paper does the trick. This simple method not only saves money, but is also environmentally friendly. Your bathroom will sparkle, and you'll wonder why you didn't try it sooner. Give it a go, and enjoy a shower cabin that looks as good as new. Keep parchment paper in the bathroom. Its use is not only surprising, but most importantly, it works. This trick will help you quickly and efficiently clean your bathroom. Use regular parchment paper to polish the metal elements in your bathroom. This method leaves no streaks and effectively removes dirt from surfaces. You'll quickly notice how clean the surfaces become. The sink and silver bathroom fixtures will shine like never before. It's a simple, fast, and cheap method, and its results are truly surprising. Wrap it in aluminum foil and put it in the fridge. Why? You're about to find out. Carbonated drinks taste best when cold. For many people, chilled water or soda is the only way to go. When a drink is warm, the go-to solution is usually ice cubes. The more you want to cool it, the more ice you add. But that waters it down and makes it go flat. So, when you're craving a cold Coke or sparkling water, try this simple trick. Grab some aluminum foil. You usually use it to wrap sandwiches or roast meat in the oven. Why? Because it conducts and retains heat well. But you've probably noticed, it cools down super fast too. A baking dish will burn you before the foil wrapped around the meat ever will. So, to chill a drink quickly, first run it under cold water for just a few seconds. The bottle should be wet. Then wrap it in aluminum foil. Use as much as you need. Once it's fully wrapped, place the bottle in the fridge. You can even put it on the door shelf. This helps the drink cool faster. You'll be sipping ice-cold water or tonic in no time, without watering it down with ice cubes. I never thought that ordinary bubble wrap could help so much in the kitchen when I wrapped it around the sink pipe. It turned out to be a solution that solved all my problems. This clever idea was suggested to me by a plumber, and I'm convinced that few people know about this use of bubble wrap. A lot of grease and dirt build up in the sink pipes. When washing dishes, hot water melts the grease, but it cools down quickly inside the pipes, causing blockages and promoting the buildup of debris. Over time, clogs form and unpleasant odors appear, making it hard to use the kitchen. Only after using bubble wrap did I notice a significant improvement. You just need to wrap the pipe with bubble wrap, which acts as thermal insulation and keeps the water warmer for longer. This way, grease and dirt don't stick in the bends but flow freely down the drain. I tried this trick myself, and since then, I haven't had any problems with bad smells, even after pouring out greasy leftovers. I'm amazed that such a simple and cheap method really works. Aluminum foil will clean your oven. If your oven is heavily burnt, this trick will definitely come in handy. Take a dishwasher tablet, as it contains many active substances that effectively handle grease and stains. Prepare a small bowl and place the tablet in it. Add 200 milliliters of warm water. Stir the mixture and let it dissolve. Apply the prepared mixture to the dirty walls of the oven using a sponge. Soak the sponge generously and squeeze it over the burnt food. Next, use aluminum foil. Simply tear off a few pieces and cover the surfaces you previously treated with the tablet solution. If the oven walls are dirty, the foil will hold the substance in place and prevent it from dripping. Leave the prepared oven for 2 hours. During this time, the active ingredients will dissolve the dirt, and you won't have to lift a finger. After this time, simply remove the foil and roll it into a ball. Then lightly rub the inside of the oven. The surface of the foil will lift off the remaining burnt food without scrubbing. You can immediately see how everything comes off beautifully. Finally, wipe everything down with a paper towel or dry cloth, and you're done. The oven shines and looks like new. Each side of aluminum foil has its significance. There is a matte side and a shiny side. Each has a different use. Almost everyone has aluminum foil at home, but we often don't use it according to its proper application. There are 2 ways to use foil, with the shiny side up or down. One side helps retain the temperature of the food, while the other helps reduce it. To make it easy to understand, we'll show you how to use it. When wrapping a product in aluminum foil with the matte side out, it allows heat to pass through easily and reach the inside of the package. This is helpful for preparing potatoes on the grill. Wrap the potatoes in foil with the matte side up. Repeat this for the number of potatoes you want to cook. The potato will be perfectly cooked and not burnt. On the other hand, use the shiny side up to wrap a sandwich for work or food that will be stored in the fridge. Did you know that each side of the foil has a different application? Have you ever used bubble wrap to clean the floor? Give it a try and you'll see the difference. Flat floor mops are often chosen for floor cleaning. Despite their large surface area, you may often notice that dirt only accumulates on the edges. As a result, floor cleaning takes longer and isn't sufficiently effective. That's where the bubble wrap trick comes in handy. Almost everyone has this popular product at home. Before tossing it in the trash, we usually enjoy popping it. It's a stress-relieving activity that calms everyone down. However, you can use bubble wrap in another way before getting rid of it. A cleaner floor thanks to it will surely calm you down too. Bubble wrap has protrusions that allow you to wipe the floor with the entire surface of the mop. You'll evenly clean the entire floor. Use regular paper towels or some cloths for this. Spread them out and place bubble wrap on them. Place the mop on top of it. Wrap a paper towel with bubble wrap around it. Secure everything with rubber bands. Now you can start cleaning the floor as usual with this mop. You won't feel like the mop is skipping any bumps anymore. The bubble wrap will ensure that the floor is evenly wiped. Dirt will be collected across the entire surface of the mop. So you'll put in less effort into floor cleaning, and the result will be amazing. Try it on your floor and let us know what type of mop you use.
Make 3 small balls out of aluminum foil and place them in a pan. This trick was taught to me by a professional chef. It definitely makes cooking easier. Take 3 aluminum foil balls about the size of a walnut. Arrange them next to each other in the pan. Then, place a small plate and the dish you want to cook on top of them. Pour a little water into the pan. It should not touch the bottom of the plate. Turn on the heat and cover the pan with a lid. This simple way, you can quickly steam fish or vegetables. This trick makes it much easier and faster.